Have you ever wondered how to calculate the annual depreciation expense for a machine using the straight-line depreciation method? Or perhaps how to determine a company's net income based on given financial information? These are just some of the questions we're going to demystify today. Imagine a company, XYZ, that purchased a machine for $100,000 with an estimated useful life of 5 years and a salvage value of $10,000. By subtracting the salvage value from the cost of the machine and dividing by its useful life, we find the annual depreciation expense. It comes out to be $18,000 per year. Now consider a company with total revenue of $500,000, cost of goods sold of $250,000, operating expenses of $150,000, and an interest expense of $10,000. The tax rate is 30%. By subtracting the expenses and taxes from the total revenue, we find the net income. It amounts to $63,000. Next, let's say a company, ABC, sells merchandise on credit terms of 2% per 10 days, net 30. A customer purchased goods for $1,000. By multiplying the purchase amount by the discount rate and subtracting it from the purchase amount, we find the amount to be paid. It comes out to be $980. Consider a company with a beginning inventory of $50,000, purchases of $100,000, and an ending inventory of $30,000. By subtracting the ending inventory from the sum of the beginning inventory and purchases, we find the cost of goods sold. It comes to a total of $120,000. Finally, let's consider a company with a balance in the prepaid insurance account of $6,000. After preparing the adjusting entry for insurance expired during the period, the adjusted balance in the prepaid insurance account is $3,000. By subtracting the ending prepaid insurance balance from the beginning balance, we find the insurance expense for the period. It comes out to be $3,000. In this video, we've covered a variety of accounting concepts including depreciation, net income calculation, cash discounts, cost of goods sold, and adjusting entries. These concepts require critical thinking and application of accounting principles to arrive at the correct answers. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep honing your skills to become proficient in these areas, and before you know it, you'll be solving these problems with ease.